Ready to feel lighter and more energized in just 5 minutes a day? We're going to walk through a Big 6 lymphatic drainage inspired routine. The key is light touches, not digging deep into the muscle. Esker's drainage dots will act as a simple map, showing you exactly where to go. First, let's apply the dots just above or below your collarbone on both sides. Now, using a light touch, gently rub, tap, or make small circles on this area about 20 times. This opens up the main drainage point for your entire lymphatic system. Next, place the dots just behind your earlobes and jaw angle. Gently tap or rub this area 20 times on both sides. This helps clear fluid from your head and neck. Now place your dots in the front of the armpit on the chest wall. Gently press or tap to release lymph about 20 times. This helps drain your arms, chest, and breast tissue. If you'd like, take a moment here for a gentle stomach rub in slow circles. This extra step can help clear the abdominal area where much of your body's lymphatic fluid is stored. Let's now move down to the elbow. Place a dot in the inner crease of each arm. Gently tap or rub this spot. This helps move fluid up from your hands and lower arms, keeping the flow going. Place a dot in the crease where your thigh meets your pelvis, right on the bikini line. Lightly press or rub this area on both sides to stimulate the nodes that drain your legs and lower torso. Our final point is behind the knees. Place a dot in the soft spot at the back of each knee. You can bend to gently tap or rub here. This helps pump lymph up from your lower legs, ankles, and feet. Close with a few light jumps or simple calf raises. By clearing these 6 points from the top down, you've reset your body's natural drainage system.